Class 8 students are showing their practical project. One group is showing here rainwater harvesting and another group is showing here photosynthesis process and water cycle. Now they are going to explain themselves one by one. Now she will explain here. What is this?
This is water cycle.
Water cycle. Okay, now please explain me how does this water cycle takes place. Now tell me. First of all, what will be here and how do we take the benefits? What is the aim of this practical? Please.
Water cycle. First of all, when the sun rises, it will heat water. Then it will.
Oh, first of all, the sun heat up the water of river and ponds, etc. Then it evaporates, yeah? And it reaches in the atmosphere, yeah? And here is a formation of cloud, okay? After formation of cloud, there is rainfall. And when rainfall occurs, then we can utilize water for different purposes, okay, like irrigation, isn't it? And we can utilize for hydroelectricity also, okay. Here is air, yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
It will take but give oxygen.
Now I ask you some question about your project, okay. Now proceed, please. What are you going to show here in this project?
Rainwater harvesting, which is stored and filtered.
Oh, this is rainwater harvesting, yeah. And what is this?
This is house.
This is house and this is
Water tank.
water tank. Okay, okay. Now, please explain me the process, all process here.
First of all, rainwater is stored in rainwater harvesting bin. And then water is stored in this tank and filtered in this tank, and water is filtered in this tank, and then filtered water is stored in this tank.
Now, explain about this area. What is this? What is this? Now explain.
When there is and there is left to harvest water from rainwater.
That means you have made here a lake. Water is collected here from different sources and you utilize for various purposes. Yeah? What is the name of this project? Rainwater harvesting. Okay. So, what is the role of this water storage tank here? To store water. Okay. Water storage tank means to store water. Okay. There is a nice decoration. This is industry, yeah? Here is industry and here is smoking zone. Okay? Smoking pipe is here. And anyway, very nice decoration. Anyway, you explain me. Okay? Thank you very much for your active participation. Okay? You will do more better in coming days. Okay? Stay creating good things. Okay?